Greetings, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, finally, we received this cool smartwatch from Kospet. So what we have here, okay, inside this box is the latest smartwatch from Kospet, the Kospet Magic 3 smartwatch, and we are very excited to unbox this new smartwatch as it looks trendy based on the promotional images. It looks sporty and it is packed with several features including in sports and health. So let's check it out. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. If you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. So we have here the box, very simple packaging here. Kospet, what you want. So we have here the support app, very obvious. We have the Fit support app with the color black smartwatch. Okay, so let's open the box. Okay, how do we remove this thing? Just push. Okay, so we have here simple packaging, the smartwatch in color black with a plastic cover here. Okay, let's remove it. Okay, then we have the smartwatch. Okay, and we have here magnetic charging cable. Okay, let's remove this foam. Okay, so what's inside the box? We have the smartwatch, we have the charging cable, and we have here, so what's this? For official tech support. Okay, so we have a warranty card, very good, from Kospet here. Okay, so we have the warranty card and we also have the user manual. Okay, Kospet Magic 3. Okay, let's have a closer look at the user manual here. So what are the contents? So we have the specifications. So the body material is composed for a combination of metal and PC. Okay, so we have the complete specs here. Again, compatible with Android 6.0 and above platform, iOS 9.0 and above platform, Bluetooth 5.0, IP68 waterproof rated. Okay, so it has a heart rate sensor and blood oxygen sensor. So we have here some instructions in English language. Okay, let's have the smartwatch. So beautiful smartwatch here. So back in power. Okay, there's a little bit of weight to it. Okay, by the feel on the smartwatch, it looks durable, soft, interchangeable silicone strap with quick release pin. Nice. So we have here the smartwatch metal body. Again, let's check on the user manual. So metal and PC. So I think it is metal here on the side here, the framing, and PC on the back based on the user manual. Let's see if we remember it correctly. So again, this metal and PC. It has 1.71 inch TFT 280 by 320 pixel resolution. Single physical button here that works as a power and back. Okay, 2.5D Okay, tempered glass. There, it looks durable. It looks premium. Okay, it's a bit thick, but seems like it adds beauty. Okay, the thickness doesn't, you know, give a bad look. Okay, to the smartwatch. Instead, it adds beauty to the device. Okay, it looks premium, looks classy, beautiful smartwatch. Okay, let me compare it to DT100 smartwatch here. Okay, for the size, so it's almost have the same size. Okay, for the thickness here, okay, almost similar in thickness. So it's a beautiful sporty device here. So let's check on the website. So what are the features of your DT100? I mean Kospet Magic 3 smartwatch. Okay, so we have here, okay, on our website smartwatchspecifications.com, we have here an initial review of the smartwatch. So Kospet Magic 3. Okay, so we have NRF 52840, we have G sensor, heart rate sensor, okay, blood oxygen sensor, Bluetooth 5.0, a 220 mAh polymer battery with a standby time of 35 days. That is a very long standby time. Okay, we have health features here, and if you are a fan of sports, okay, this smartwatch is equipped with at least 20 sports mode. That is amazing. So we have walking, running, cycling. We also have badminton, basketball, football, swimming, climbing, rowing machine. We also have sit-ups, skiing, bowling, and free training. Okay, so get fit with 20 sports mode. For customization, we have at least 50 watch faces. Okay, so check out our initial review on this Kospet Magic 3. And here on the website of Kospet at kospet.com. Okay, so we have here the pricing. Okay, it is available in black, blue, and pink. Worldwide shipping, fast shipping, 7-day get packages. Okay, we have here the complete features of the smartwatch at kospet.com. If you want to buy, okay, so there's a lot of shopping site, but if you want, okay, you want to make sure that it's legit, it's available here at kospet.com. They provide free shipping. Okay, so as you can see here, thin, light, and long lasting at the same time. 50 watch faces. Okay, and we have here the specs. Okay, so again, this is your Kospet Magic 3 smartwatch. Let's check it out if there's still, okay, a power. Okay, so we still have at least some juice left. Okay, beautiful screen display. Let's remove the plastic covering here to so we can appreciate the beauty of the screen display of the Kospet Magic 3 smartwatch. Then, so what's the display screen here, the size? So we have 1.71 inch TFT LCD, but with 280 by 320 pixel resolution. Okay, so we have here, okay, let's clean it. Okay, there's some smudges here due to the plastic. Okay, let's just remove it. Okay, so that's it. Okay, clean. spick and span. Okay, so again, back home. So we have here, okay, the UI or the watch face for the smartwatch. Okay, let's adjust the display screen. Is it auto? Oh, wow, very bright screen display here. Okay, beautiful watch face with steps, calorie, and distance on the watch face. Okay, we have here the menu, beautiful icons. So we have here SpO2. Okay, we have heart rate, sleep monitoring. We also have the QR code here and the sports. Okay, we have remote camera control. Okay, so going back again. So we have here the message, sports, sleep, measure heart rate, the exercise. There's also blood pressure monitor. Oh, I did not expect that. Okay, so far so good with this Kospet Magic 3 smartwatch. Okay, beautiful rectangular screen display. Okay, rectangular design smartwatch from Kospet. Okay, if you're looking for an affordable but with premium feel of a smartwatch, okay, so you can check it on kospet.com. So far so good. Okay, let's have a closer look at the display. Okay, as you can see here. So let's check if there's a additional watch faces here. Okay, so there are a lot of preloaded watch faces here. Okay, let's pick this one. Okay, very sharp. Okay, slim bezel here, and bright, and of course very responsive screen display for the smartwatch. Okay, we'll have more of its menus and functions of the wearable when we are on our next video. Okay, so watch out for our second video of the Kospet Magic 3 smartwatch. We're going to check on its sports mode, okay, the menus, as well as other health features and functionalities of this wearable. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.